Today we talk about Paneth cell. First, where are they located? Paneth cells are located in the crypts of the small intestine. In the illustration, they are depicted as purple-stained cells. So, what do they do? They primarily regulate the intestinal immune system. I will now explain how they regulate the intestinal immune system. They are producing antimicrobial peptides. The most important is alpha defensin. They do these functions by producing them: cell lysis, inhibition of transcription and translation, and regulation of immune response. Cell lysis. Alpha defense increases the permeability of bacterial membranes, causing cell lysis by osmosis. Alpha defensin binds to specific proteins in the cell and inhibits biochemical process. Inhibition of the transcription and translation process leads to cell death. Alpha defensin modulates the immune response and suppresses inflammation. It prevents excessive immune response to microbial invasion and suppresses tissue damage.
Our bodies contain several hundred trillion bacteria weighing between 1 and 2 kilograms. They are indigenous to every body surface, including the inside of the body. They are in a balance that is unique to each location. Of these, the gastrointestinal tract is the richest in both number and variety. 90% of the bacteria that are in humans live in the digestive tract and are referred to as the intestinal microflora. The normal intestinal microflora is known to act as a barrier against foreign pathogens. They occupy a place for settlement, compete for nutrients with pathogens, and produce antimicrobial substances. Decreased alpha defensin secretion from Paneth cells causes loss of bacterial diversity in the intestinal microflora, so it leads to infection and inflammatory bowel disease. Inflammatory bowel disease is a disease in which a person's immune mechanism becomes abnormal and one's own immune cells attack the cells of the intestine. Typical inflammatory bowel disease include Crohn's disease. Paneth cells have another important function. Paneth cells are adjacent to stem cells and constitute a stem cell niche. Stem cell niche means microenvironment that maintains stem cells. Paneth cells release niche factors, and niche factors bind to stem cells. Niche factors make stem cells replicate themselves and remain undifferentiated. This concludes my presentation on Paneth cells. Thank you for your attention.